The past due administration tool in RaiderMass. All employee names, part numbers, areas, quantities, amounts, and other relevant data is not real. It was only created for the purpose of this presentation. The past due administration tool has been added to RaiderMass to minimize the time and resources utilized by our cross-functional teams to understand and take action over the variables impacting this important key process indicator. Due to the many different variables impacting our past due status, this tool is also linked to our Kaizen tool to easily document the issues and keep close tracking of their resolution. The possible root causes that we may have may be due to lack of raw material, internal quality issues, customer quality, design issues, lack of capacity, and some other many different causes. Once the root causes have been identified, now we need to start deploying Kaizen activities, and then we can go back to our production schedule. The sources of information to generate the past due executive summary are the following: our daily or weekly production schedule, our continuous updates of the production report, the continuous updates of the confirmed production coming from our ERP system, once a day the sales demand from our customers, once a day the distribution center inventory, once a day our in-transit inventory, and our continuous updates of the Kaizen activities. And of course, the past due report generated once a day. The past due executive summary is a living document that gets automatic updates every time any of these reports get updated. The production report, the production schedule, confirmed production coming out of our ERP system, the follow-up notes to every single row, and the Kaizen opportunities created to resolve the issues. These are the logical questions that are responded by our executive summary. We can go and look for every single one of them. The past due executive summary provides quick responses to logical questions. In example, are we covered to ship from our distribution center? The materials column shows a quick status of how are we doing. If it is in red, it means no, we are not covered, and that is because we don't have material in our distribution center to ship what is being required by our customer. Which is our coverage? By now, it is none, because we are behind in 519 pieces, and we have nothing in transit. That is the reason it's in red. In this case, for example, it is in green because, yes, we do have material in our distribution center. It is in red because we are covered. And that is because the demand is 12 and we have available to ship 334 pieces. In reference to the production program, the question is, are we covered by our production schedule? In this example, no, we are not, because we don't have nothing scheduled for this week, nothing accumulated up to this day in the schedule, and nothing for today. So we are able to know at glance if we have scheduled quantities for this week, if as of this day of the week, how many parts we have accumulated in the schedule, and if we have plans to run this line today. It is in yellow because We were supposed to run at this point in time 1900 pieces, and somehow we have over executed our production run. It is in red because we have scheduled 500 pieces as of today, and we have only run 207. Are we planning to run today? We can check it at glance here. The next question, are we following our program schedule? If that is the case, which is our adherence to our current production program, and we can look that in this column. Which is our today's shipping demand coming out of our distribution center, which is our 7 days shipping demand coming out of our distribution center as well, the number of customer lines that we have open, and the impact in our dollars backlog, which is the aging of these lines in our past due. Talking about our shipping availability, this is the available to ship quantities. The ones in red means that we don't have anything and we are still owing certain quantity. The finished goods that we have in transit to our distribution center. Now talking about our production results. How many parts have we produced during this week? How many parts have we produced today? And if the coverage is not positive, what are we doing, or what are we planning to do to solve these past due opportunities? This is connected to our Kaizen system, and in here we can observe that there are no open Kaizens at this point in time, and we have an accumulated of 1 Kaizen in this particular part number. In here it is blank because there is nothing, and in here there are 5 Kaizen opportunities and 3 of them are still open. It is marked in green because the Kaizen's dates are on time. So the past due tool promotes the involvement of our cross-functional teams either directly or indirectly. Directly by keeping a closed loop between the production scheduler, production supervisor, production team leaders, and material handler, and indirectly by means of the Kaizen system by having all our supporting team and managers aware of what is being needed. In case of a maintenance issue, a design issue, a process related issue that is preventing us to produce the parts, any raw material that is missing, or any MRO that is preventing us to comply with the orders. The past due performance can also be found in our EWA room. It can be posted in a TV screen and receive automatic updates. This tool allows us to keep hourly tracking on how are we doing on today's past due plant-wide by receiving updates every time an order is closed or every time an order is being transferred to our finished good warehouse. In conclusion, the less time you use in the analysis of our past due, the more time you will have to work on the improvement, corrective, or follow-up actions. Please join me in a quick live presentation. Thank you.